Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will learn about transition effects. So let's first get the idea of transition effects. So we are going to run the slideshow by F5 key. So when we click for going to the next slide, we can directly redirected to the next slide. So there is no transition effect for particular slide. We can directly go to the slide. So this is not looking very nice. So let's set various transition effects in between two slides using transition effects provided by PowerPoint. So first go to the animation, in which you will find one option, transition to the slide. Now we will apply transition to the slide. To apply the transition to the slide, first select the slide. After selecting the slide, go to the drop down of transition to this slide, in which you will find various transition related effects from which you can set any one of these transition effects. So you can see various effects like fades and dissolves, push and cover, stripes and bars, and random. So when you over your mouse on this effect, you will see live preview for the effect. Suppose I want to set this transition effect to my slide, then I have to click on that effect. So this effect is set. Now let's move to another slide and apply effect to this slide. Likewise, we are adding effect to other slides. And we are adding more effect to our various slides. So we have applied effects to some slides. Now one of the option provided by transition to this slide is apply to all. When we want to apply particular effects to all slides, then we can use this option, but it will apply same transition effect to all slides. You can set transition speed slow, medium, or fast. I am setting slow. If you want to set transition sound, then you can also use this. So it will set sound for transition effect. Now let's run this slideshow. You can see when we change slide, effects for transition is displayed and it is looking very nice. So this is about transition effects in PowerPoint. Thank you.